blood and I don't. Yonder fountain, feel the red lightning. No enchantment ornate is my own. Tread over sea, set to seek, steal and leave everything with the ring in the wake of my way. When the night strikes, carries a cloud, return is my eyes. It's not that I don't feel alive, I just feel untouched by the passing of time. All that I know is this way to behave. Father and burden won't stop me these days. Nothing compares to the weight of the blade. It glistens like a cascade, just like a log. Well, maybe I sold myself cheap. Or should I be grateful for the journey that was thrust upon me? It depends where it leads, where it ends, on the state of my soul, through the way that it's spent. Ever since old Todd the mountain, my teacher, I've had a fire who yearns for relief.